Hi guys, welcome to my farm. Getting ready para sa next kanang planting season guys. Ayan. So prepare na ato ang kuan kanang tamnan. And this is my outdoor abuhan. And sa likod is yung namin gulayan. Ang itanim dyan is kanang alugbati. So yung seedlings is ready na dyan. Yan kayan. And then we have sili espada, and then yung maanghang na sili yan, sili na maanghang, and then sili espada. So this is our house, and that's our dog Kiki. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Bye.